Happy morning, students. Today, we are going to learn about a wonderful trick to remember 1 to 30 elements. Super trick to remember 1 to 30 elements. Hi, Healy, BBC, no funny. Hi, Healy, BBC, no funny. Hi stands for hydrogen, H. He stands for helium, He. Li stands for Li, lithium. BBC, B stands for beryllium. One more B stands for boron B. C stands for carbon C. NO, no, where N stands for nitrogen. O stands for oxygen. Funny, F stands for fluorine. And Ni stands for Ne. So that 1 to 10 elements: hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, and neon 10. Hi, Healy, BBC, no funny. Second memory cap. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Na, na stands for sodium. M stands for magnesium. And Al stands for aluminium. Si stands for silicon Si. Phosphorus, P, sulfur. S, cool here stands for chlorine. And Ar means argon. K, potassium. Ca, Ca, that is calcium. See here, students, once again I am repeating. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Sodium 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17, argon 18, potassium 19, and calcium 20. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Third quotation. Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Here Ska stands for scandium, Sc. T stands for Ti, titanium. V stands for V, vanadium. Kra means chromium. Man means Mn. Phi stands for ferrum or iron. Co, that is cobalt. Ni means nickel. Ficoni, nickel. Kujan, copper. Jan means zinc. Once again, Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Skati Vikraman, Skati Vikraman, Skati Vikraman, Fikoni Kujan. Scandium, atomic number 21, titanium 22, vanadium 23, chromium 24, manganese 25, iron 26, cobalt 27, nickel 28, copper 29, and zinc 30. Very simple, my dear students. By remembering 3 memory caps, you can learn 1 to 30 elements within the minute. Very simple. Once again I am repeating. Hi, Healy, BBC, no funny. Namal sips, cool, arakeka. Skativikraman Vikoni Kujan. I'm going to show you one more slide. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. What is the memory cap? Hi Haley BBC, no funny. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. This you can remember with Namal sips, cool, arekeka. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrum, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. This you can remember with Skativikraman Vikoni Kujan. Thank you, students. I'm going to stop at this here. In the next class, we come up with 20 to 30 to 50 elements.